Welcome to chemistry online classes. Let's start with last class homework problem, Diels-Alder reaction. So here diene is reacting with alkenes which forms cyclic adduct. So I have given a one example, diene with butene dioic acid. Butene dioic acid, and this is a cis form of butene dioic acid. So the reaction between the diene and dienophile, and here cis butene dioic acid which is act as a dienophile. How the formation takes place? This double bond, alkene double bond, is involved in the Diels-Alder reaction with respect to the dienophile, which is given to this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, and this pi bond migrated here. This pi bond is attached at this position, which forms cyclic adduct, 6-member cyclic adduct. So from the 6 member, 4 carbons are coming from diene and 2 carbons which are coming from dienophile. So here, and this carbon, this is the diene portion from here to here, and the remaining portion is dienophile, and these two are carbons are coming from dienophile, which is having a COH here and COH here. It is cyclic adduct. So this is about the Diels-Alder reaction. Let's move on to other topic in the third unit, that is alkynes. In our syllabus, there is a limited topic is there with respect to the alkynes. Introduction of alkynes, acidity of alkynes, and some of the reaction. Alkynes. It is a hydrocarbon which is having a carbon-carbon triple bonded system. We call it as alkynes. The empirical formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. Let's take one example. Carbon-carbon triple bond function group which is present in the alkyne. Nomenclature of alkyne. How we will write a systematic name of alkynes is, we derive parent name from the alkane, and here we replace an word with "-ine", that is alkynes. Alkyne. So how we will write first example? Let's take one. So here it is how many carbon? 2 carbon. It is ethane. We have to replace "-ane" with "-ine". It becomes ethyne. Similarly, if I take other, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon alkyne system. So 3 carbon means it is propane, and we have to replace "-ane" with "-ine". It becomes propyne. Can you try this one? So the first case, 1, 3, it is a 4 carbon alkyne. The second case, it is also 4 carbon alkanes. So how we have to write a nomenclature for these two compounds? And both the cases it is a 4 carbons, it is but, and anyway triple bond is present, it is called butane. But where the difference is coming? The location of the triple bond. In the first example, the triple bond which is present at second position, and in the second example the triple bond which is present at first position. So how we have to write nomenclature? But, and we have to write triple bond position with numerical number. It is at second position and ine. This is the suffix we have to use. But 2 ine or 2 butane. And the second case, where the triple bond is present at first carbon, but 1 ine. Similarly, let's take one more example. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, where the substitution is there, third position we have substitution. So always we have to start name with the substitution as a prefix. Methyl substitution is there, where it is attached a third carbon, 3 methyl. Okay, this is part is completed. Next, what is the chain length? But. And where the position of the triple bond? First position, but 1 ine. And this is the way we have to write a systematic nomenclature for alkynes. Let's move on to our topic, acidity of alkynes. Acidity of alkynes. So terminal alkynes usually exhibit acidic character, and what could be the reason why it exhibit acidity, that we will understand. If I go with a comparison, I take a alkane, I am taking ethane, I am taking alkenes, ethene, and I go with the third one, alkyne, ethyne. So here, why these hydrogens are acidic in nature? Acidic means which releases as a H plus. H plus donors are called acids. That particularly why we see in the case of alkynes, why not in the alkenes and alkanes? So this can be understandable by hybridization concept. If we look at the hybridization of this carbon in alkane, this alkane carbon undergoes which hybridization? It undergoes sp3 hybridization. Similarly, alkene carbon which undergoes sp2 hybridization. Alkyne carbon undergoes sp hybridization. So this we call it as sp3 carbon, this we call it as sp2 carbon, and the last one, that carbon sp carbon. In the sp3 hybridization orbital, what is the s character? Total 4 are there, one is S, it becomes 25% of S character will be there. On the second case, 33% of S character, and the last case 50% of S character. Here which carbon is more electronegative? More electronegative. That will have a more acidic hydrogen. What is the concept here? If this carbon is more acidic, what it will do? It will drag the bonded pair of electrons towards itself. As a result, hydrogen will leave as a H plus. So now in this all alkenes and alkynes, we have to see which carbon is more electronegative. More electronegative. from the hybridization, how we can predict which carbon is more electronegative? In the lower section you must have studied percentage of S character increases. What happens to the electronegativity of atom? Electronegativity increases. If you look at sp3 hybridization, sp2 hybridization, sp hybridization, where we are seeing S character is more, this is the first and this is the second case 33% and this is the third case. So what is the electronegativity order of these carbons? sp carbon is more electronegative than sp2 carbon than sp3. Why sp carbon is more electronegative? The percentage of S character increases. So the orbital, hybridized orbital is having more S character, which can held shared pair of electrons very tightly, or the dragging ability will be more. As a result, sp carbon shows more electronegative than sp2, sp3, because the percentage of S decreasing from sp to sp3. So it is having more electronegative nature. Okay. Now if you see, now this carbon is more electronegative, and whatever the bonded pair of electrons are there, which will drags towards the carbon side, and this hydrogen will leave as a H plus, and it is easily releasing H plus. That's why we call it as it is having a acidic nature. Alkynes is having acidic nature due to the presence of sp carbon. sp carbon is more electronegative compared with the sp2 carbon, sp3 carbon, which can hold share pair of electrons towards itself tightly. As a consequence, it releases H plus. If you look at the practical data, if you see pK of alkanes, I am going with very specific with ethane, which is having a 50, and pKa data of ethene is 44, and ethane pKa is 25. Okay, and you know that the relationship between the Ka and acidity, acid dissociation constant, acidity will be directly proportional, and pKa and acidity, it is inversely proportional. So it is a acid dissociation constant value. If you look at here, pKa and acidity, which is inversely proportional, that means pKa value, which case it is lower, that is having more acidic nature. So if you look at our practical data, the pKa of ethane, which is having 25, lower compared with the ethane 50. So according to the practical data, when we calculate acid dissociation constant, which is coming very less pKa value for ethane, hence alkynes shows acidic character compared with the alkenes and alkanes. Whether all the alkynes shows acidic nature? No, it is very specific towards the terminal alkynes, because hydrogen should be attached to the stellenic carbon, then only that hydrogen which shows acidic character. So triple bond, if it is present in the middle in the hydrocarbon chain, it may not show acidic character. For example, if I take a butane, 2-butane, here we don't have any stellenic hydrogen, because the triple bond which is present in the middle of the system, and this cannot show acidic character. So acidity of alkynes is very specific to terminal alkynes, and this is about the acidity of alkynes, why it is having acidic nature compared with the alkanes and alkenes. Next class we will discuss about the reactions of alkynes, that is polymerization reactions, oxidation reactions, and especially regioselective reduction reaction with the sodium and liquid ammonia. and those topics which is pending with respect to the alkynes. Thank you.